Imagine being able to earn extra cash while still focusing on your studies. No need for prior experience, no need for huge investments. It's just smart side hustles that actually work in 2025. Today, I'm going to reveal 7 easy side hustles that students can start right now and turn into reliable income streams. Number 1. Freelance content writing. If you enjoy writing, freelance content writing can be a goldmine. Businesses are always looking for blog posts, product descriptions, and social media captions. You can start on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or even LinkedIn. The best part is, you only need a laptop and an internet connection. Number 2. Online. Tutoring. Online tutoring is one of the fastest growing side hustles for students. If you excel in math, science, or languages, you can help other students through platforms like Preply or TutorMe. Parents are willing to pay well for reliable tutors, and you can work on your own schedule. Number 3. Social media management. Small businesses need help with social media, but do not have the time or skills to manage it. As a student, you can offer to create posts, schedule content, and engage with followers. Start by practicing on your own accounts, then reach out to local businesses or freelancers. Number 4. Print on demand. Print on demand lets you design custom t-shirts, mugs, or hoodies without holding inventory. Websites like Redbubble, Teespring, or Merch by Amazon handle everything for you. You upload your design, and every time someone makes a purchase, you earn a profit. It is creative, fun, and requires no upfront cost. Number 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you recommend a product online and earn a commission for every sale. You can promote items through TikTok, Instagram, or even a simple blog. For students, this is a low-effort way to earn income while focusing on their studies. Start with platforms like Amazon Associates or Impact. Number 6. Selling digital products. If you are skilled at creating study guides, templates, or digital planners, you can sell them on Etsy or Gumroad. Digital products are ideal for students because once created, they can be sold repeatedly without requiring additional work. This is one of the best passive income side hustles. Number 7. Virtual assistant. Many entrepreneurs and businesses need virtual assistants to handle simple tasks like answering emails, scheduling, and research. Students can start small with a few hours a week and still earn a steady income. It is flexible, requires no experience, and teaches valuable skills for the future. Let's quickly recap the 7 easy side hustles for students in 2025. Freelance writing, online tutoring, social media management, print on demand, affiliate marketing, selling digital products, and becoming a virtual assistant. Each of these can help you earn money without sacrificing your studies. If you found a side hustle here that you want to try, hit the like button, share this video with a friend who needs extra income, and subscribe to Money Matrix for more smart ways to earn and manage money. Your financial independence starts today.